Hello everyone and welcome back into my workshop. My name is Alex, I represent eToroS Ltd. And in this video, I'm going to show you the process on one of the small projects I've been working on for a customer of mine. He just left and I have refitted new electronics on this bike. I had my customer in to test it and give me the okay if he wants to keep this set up, and so I can complete the job and have it ready for him. So the story of this bike is as following. It came to me with a motor damage, as you can see down on the floor, and the controller as well. So the parts that they were damaged on this bike, they were the controller and the motor. The cost of the parts was, I believe, around 480 pounds. A new controller, a new motor, which was quite a bit expensive. So my option to him, it was like, why not we should change the electronics? Because if you remember, I have this bike and I had the electronics from it. You do see it in this state. I just stopped the video here in regards to the other bike, just to tell you about this one, that this bike is going to be way more upgraded and you will have a very, very powerful setup. We'll be able to go over 70 miles an hour. I'm very excited, and right now I'm trying to get the money together in order for me to modify it and have this project finished. Yeah, so now back to our work in here about this bike. I used the electronics from this bike, the original electronics from this bike, which they come from Cooler Kub, and I refitted them on this Panther Eve movement bike. This way I have upgraded the power from 500 watts, which was originally, to 750 watts, and the price of the repair and the upgrade was similar to the price of the repair as original, which means like the price of the new motor and the price of the new controller. Yeah, so as you can see here, these are all the parts that they were on the bike. Once again, the motor was faulty. This is the motor. It's a 500 watts motor, 48 volts. And this was the controller as well, which is a 48 volts controller having 17 amps discharge rate, a 500 watts motor. Yeah. And these are all the other bits that I replaced originally from this bike. So I took them off and I refitted new parts, new electronics. Yeah, the bike has been done so far just for tests. So my customer had a go on it just a few moments ago, and he really enjoyed it. From what he told me, he really enjoyed it and gave me the okay to have it properly done for him so he can collect it as soon as possible. So as you can see here, all the wiring is done only like temporary. I will upgrade this and I'll make it a lot nicer and neater. So this one is just provisional. The new controller that I had from the other bike, it wouldn't fit inside. Usually the controller goes inside here. So in one way or another, I have to fit it outside and then redo all the connections. At the back, there is a Bafang motor of 750 watts. Yeah. And right now, the setup on this bike, it's with 250 watts bigger, which will allow my customer to go around 21 to 22 miles an hour. Previously, it was doing only 15.5 miles an hour. I'm telling you, he's happy. Probably I'll have a chance when this bike is finished to make a small video with him so he can tell you exactly how it feels about. Yeah. This is just a quick video and show you the process on this bike. Once it's ready, I'll show you more. So stay tuned for a second part of this build, and ride safe, keep safe out there, every one of you. And thank you so much for following, and thank you so much for all the likes and all the support that you guys are offering me. I'll see you in the next video.